Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be discussing the guide pin installation on the Tomy AFX Mega G Plus car. See you there. So we're going to start off by removing the body. That's just going to give us a little bit more room to work with, and we definitely don't want to slip and mess up the cool looking body. So this stock guide pin, this one doesn't appear to have anything wrong with it. You can see it looks like it's like facing forward, and I think that's just the chassis. The chassis looks like it's kind of jacked up, but let's just pretend that's a bent one. And really, to remove it, I like to use these pliers right here. So these are smooth jaw. They're pretty pointy. I love these things. I used to have some that had better looking handles than these ones. These ones are kind of rough, but I like to grab on there, and then you just push and pull, and that is the guide pin. So your stock tune-up kit could come with a AFX guide pin, or you could opt for the Viper guide pin. So we do have an extended one as well, but this is just a standard one. The installation process is pretty much the same. I like to grab it, and obviously you don't want to force it this way because it can just continue to ride up the pliers. I like to go sideways like so and pop it down in there. That is in there. Now, if you wanted to just lock that thing into place, you can use Loctite on it. You can definitely put some Loctite up around that area, Loctite it into the car. That just would prevent it from popping out. And some people ask, well, how the heck does that pop out? Well, if you crash and the car hits the edge of the track like that, the guide pin it'll pop out. I've seen that happen quite a bit. So that one's in there. Something you always want to look for is set this down on a piece of your track. So this is just a test block here, but if this was a Tomy track, you want to make sure that you have clearance there. You definitely don't want your guide pin to be too long to where it's holding the car off of the track. That will be really bad for running, but that's pretty much it. So definitely want to make sure that you have a straight guide pin. You want to make sure that it's not too long, and you also want to make sure that up underneath here that it is not bottoming out on the track. So those are all important things to look for. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out our other videos. We have quite a bit of Mega G Plus stuff. It also applies to the original Mega G and many other cars, for especially this video with the guide pin. So hopefully you guys like it. Take it easy.